What's up? In this video, we're going to continue working on the stab, but this time we're going to move on to quarter note and eighth note rhythms. If you're not familiar with these terms, check out our Baby Scratch series. That way, you'll be familiar with what we're about to cover. Grab your sheet music and let's get started. You'll find a link to it in the description below. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Let's count it off. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at number 2. We're going to count out loud so that we stay on beat. We're also going to continue where we left off in the last lesson and focus on closing the fader completely before we pull back the record. We're going to make sure that we don't hear the sound when we pull back the record. All right, here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully, you're starting to get it now. So let's move on to number 3. This time, let's concentrate on staying on beat. We don't want to rush and we don't want to drag the beat. We want our strokes to be right in time. We want to be right on beat. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's dive into the final rhythm. This time we're going to concentrate on playing in time, and we're also going to play nice clean strokes. We want our strokes to sound identical, and don't forget to count out loud. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to incorporate these rhythms into your daily practice routine and always practice this with both hands. For more detailed lessons, check out our premium videos at scratchmadeeasy.com. And if you liked the video, be sure to share it with anyone that will find the information helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.